Welcome to LifeBites Mindful Mondays. I'm life, business, and energy coach Nina Bosky. And in today's grounding session, we're going to help you get centered, cleared, and connected. Let's get started. This is the love train. From the base of your spine down to the center of the earth. We're going to create a grounding cord that's very strong and nurturing and fortifying. And we're going to take the roots of that grounding cord and really anchor yourself to Mother Earth, to yourself, to your essence, to who you are. And let's start to release everything that no longer serves you. Letting go of the past. Take a nice big deep breath. Letting go of the future. Take a nice big deep breath. And let's say hello to the here and now, in present time. And about 2 feet out, you're going to create a circle of light all around you. And in that circle of light is a circle of yellow roses. And now let's create a circle of pink roses around you that represent love and compassion for yourself as well as the outside world. And now let's create a circle of red divine roses around you that represent protection from anything that is not of your own energy and your own light. Everything goes on the outside of your space. Your weekend, your boss, your loved ones, your experiences that are not about you. Everything goes on the outside of your space. And really claim your own energy field. Say hello to the love inside of you. And now let's come up to your 6th chakra, right between the brow. And about 2 feet out, you're going to create a movie screen. And you're going to say hello to your life this week on your movie screen. And the tone that you're going to set is all about love. You're going to explore and look for the opportunities that allow you to love more. Invite love in. The opportunity for love all around you. Say hello to your challenges. Can you infuse your challenges with love? Can you say hello to your blessings? Infusing love in all of your blessings. Now let us check in. Physically, I'd like you to ask yourself, how do I feel physically? Don't try to change anything. Just become aware. Scanning your body. And whatever lights up, give it a gold energy to neutralize it, green energy for healing, and pink energy for love. And let's bathe our whole entire body in this beautiful love energy. This week, we're opening up to more love in our lives. And now let us affirm in our physical body health, vitality, strength, and flow. Health, vitality, strength, and flow. Take a nice big deep breath. And let's come up to the center of your head. Let's create a beautiful golden light in the center of your head. Allow that golden light to get bigger and brighter, flushing out any frenetic energy, any fogginess, any incoherence. You're clearing the slate of your mind. And now say to yourself, I am alert, receptive, productive, and present. Not only am I open to giving love, but I'm opening up to receiving more love in my life. Take a nice big deep breath all the way up to your crown chakra and all the way back down to the bottom of your belly and back into your heart space. Say hello to your heart. Say hello to your feelings. Say hello to your energetic intentions. Now I'm going to give you 3 energetic intentions to create, and you can add to them if you'd like. Let's affirm this in your feeling body, your emotional body. Really try to feel these emotions. I feel loved, supported, nurtured, and. One more time. I feel loved, supported, nurtured, and. Take a nice big deep breath. And let's come up to your 7th chakra, right above the head in your crown chakra. And we're saying hello to your spiritual self. And just like little light sockets, feel yourself plugging in to yourself, to the divine, to your loved ones on the other side. And say to yourself, I am connected. I am connected. And now let's ask our higher self to help us this week with looking and leading with love. How can I increase more love in my life? How can I lead with love? How can I receive more love? And let's ask for guidance. And now you may get the guidance right away, or it may come to you when you least expect it. but know and trust that guidance is on its way. Take another nice big deep breath. Put your hand on your heart and let's think and feel 3 things that you are grateful for today. Now let's send some love to somebody who may need it. Coming down through that crown chakra, all the way down through your 6th, igniting your intuition, opening up that heart space, even in your intuitive self. This is where God can come in and help you. Moving down through your throat chakra into your 5th, igniting your authentic, true expression as it moves down into your heart space, filling you up with love, support, and nurturing as it moves back down into your 3rd chakra, igniting and manifesting more love in your life. As it moves down into your 2nd chakra, say hello to all of your relationships, and let's intentionalize our relationships and lead with love, even with the ones that we're having more challenges with. And that golden light keeps coming down into the base of your spine. Love of self. Love of self. The root chakra, the foundation of life, as it moves down into your legs, creating that strength and flexibility, down through your calves and into your feet. Say hello and wiggle your toes. Say hello to your fun fairies. As it moves back down into Mother Earth, say to yourself, I am grounded, I am centered, all is well, life is good, and everything in my life is moving forward with love, ease, and grace. Take another nice big deep breath. Stretch it out and open your eyes. Now that you are grounded, cleared, and connected, let's move on to this week's message and life theme. So today's topic is the love train. And what we mean by the love train this week is love is an energy. And so if you were to think about love as a train, and you were to hop on the love train, you would be infusing yourself with love. Now, a lot of times when we wake up, we might even feel more loving. And then the day starts to unfold and the stresses and the uncertainties and the challenges come in, and we start focusing on our problems. We start focusing on the issues. We start focusing on the other person. And we push love to the side. But I want you to do a check-in with yourself and ask your inner self, what are you leading with? Are you leading with a critical voice around yourself or somebody else? Is there judgments all around you? Are you putting conditions on yourself and other people? Or are you embodying the energy of love? The energy of love is patient and kind. The energy of love is authentic. The energy of love may be a boundary that you have to set. The energy of love may be that although I want to be critical, I really want to lead with an open heart. So I'd like you to either write it down or make a mental note of it. But what in your life needs more love? Is it yourself? Are you overly critical of a loved one, family member, your children, your boss, your teammates, whatever it is, your friends? And ask yourself, if I were to shift this energy up and lead with love, would my life be different? And I'm going to say, yes, it will. It will be different. And the reason being is what we put out is what we get back. So if I'm tense and challenged by somebody and I lead with that voice, what's going to come back to me is tense and challenge. But if I start to lead with love and open to that love, to receiving and supporting by giving, it changes my whole vibration. So my action item for you this week, and just even if you can do it for the next, I won't even say 24 hours. I'm going to say for the next 8 hours. If you could remind yourself to lead with love. So here's the thing. When you do something like that, the universe comes in and says, okay, well, let's just see how much they can lead with love. So they may give you a trigger. And the trigger will be, how am I going to respond? Hopefully not react, but respond to love. Even if the action itself is not to do anything. But if I can have even compassion with somebody's issue or with the challenge I'm having, whether it's for myself or somebody else, then it helps me not only jump on the love train, but stay there. So my challenge to you is, guess what? Get on the love train. And I challenge you to stay there as long as you can. If you pass the 8-hour mark and, hey, Nina, I stayed there for 2 days, fantastic. If you stay there for an hour, hey, that's okay too. At least you got an hour on the love train. So my goal for you is to have a long commute on the love train. And being on the love train is happy. Being on the love train may be setting boundaries. It's different from each person. But the love train infuses, embodies love. Lead with love. Jump on that train because once you do, you're going to love it so much, you're going to want to stay on board. Hoot, hoot, it's time to get on the love train. I hope you've enjoyed this week's Mindful Mondays. Be sure to join us this Friday for another episode of LifeBites as we get you inspired in the areas of life, business, and media. I'm your host, life, business, and energy coach, Nina Bosky. And remember, until next time, sometimes in order to speed up, you've got to learn how to slow down.